Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine.
How are you all, children? Had your lunch?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember me? What is my name? My name is okay. Okay. Oh, which subject ma'am is taking for you? General studies. Tell me, all of you. General studies.
General studies.
Okay, okay, good. Now tell me which lesson we are learning now.
My body parts.
My body.
Body parts.
Which lesson we are learning? My body. My body. Okay. Now, my body. And we have discussed many. I can hear a lot of noise. Will you please mute your device? Will you please mute your device? So that I can continue the class without any disturbance. I want my children to mute your device. Please mute it fast. Ivania Rose, please mute your device. Ivania, you can mute your device. Yes. Krishna Genga. Krishna Geng. What is your name? Krishnang. Krishnang, please mute your device. Okay. So we are going to begin the session. Yeah, good afternoon. So we are learning the lesson, My Body. And I think the last week we lost our period, our class, because of Sri Krishna Jayanti, right? And we are meeting after 1 week. And I know some of my children, you may have forgot about the lesson, right? We were learning about the parts of the body. And we discussed one rhyme in the class about parts of the body. This is my head. These are my ears. These are my eyes. This is my nose. These are my cheeks. This is my chin. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. This is my neck. These are my shoulders and these are my hands. Do you remember? Okay.
Yes.
So today, and we learned
Yes.
we have many parts in our body. We have many parts in our body. We don't have, see, listen, not only we have the eyes, nose, ears, mouth, we have many parts in our body. And in this today's lesson, today's topic, we are going to divide our body into three main parts. Okay, the three main parts. You know what are they? The first one, head. There are some parts come in the head. Okay, the next one, the middle, the uppermost part of our body, that is our head. Our head has a face, hair, forehead, eyes, mouth, neck, nose, cheeks, ears. These are the parts of our uppermost part of our body. Okay, this is the head is the uppermost part of our body. And We will learn. Don't worry, I will teach you. Today I brought a lot of videos, pictures for you. We can play, we can learn, we can clap our hands, we can enjoy. Don't worry, give me a cute smile. A cute smile. Come closer to the device so that I can touch your chubby cheeks. Yes, yes, yes. Smile, smile. And be closer to the device. Mom is going to touch your chubby cheeks. Yes. Okay. I really like you. I love you. So shall we begin?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay. And in between, I will ask your cute smile. Okay. You have to give. Don't forget to smile. You see, your ma'am is always smiling at you. You have to give me your cute smile. So listen. So what I'm saying, children, our body has three main parts. The three mains. There are many parts in our body. We can divide into three main parts. The uppermost part of our body, you can do this. See, keep your hand like this and say, this is the uppermost part of our body. The uppermost part of our body, the head. The head. Everyone repeat after me. Head. Say all of you. Head. Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Okay. Tell me, which is the uppermost part of our body? Head.
Head. Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head. Okay. Now one more time. Okay. Which is somebody's audio is too much noise from somebody's house, right? Children, please do one thing. Please close your book. I'm not asking you to open the book. Please close your books. We don't want books now. After my class, I will send some words through the WhatsApp. Then you can write and study. Not now. Now everybody sit straight. Look towards your device. Look at Faiza ma'am's face. Okay. So, what ma'am is telling, which is the uppermost part of our body? Head.
Head.
Head. Everyone repeat after me. Head.
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 There are many parts in our head. What are they, Our face, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, chin, then eyebrows, eyelashes, forehead, nose, neck. These are come in our head. Okay, I will share the pictures to you. And do you know there is a new word for you, a bit difficulty to pronounce, but we have to do it, okay? Children, which is the middle part of our body? Show me the action. See? Middle part of our body, middle. See, keep your hand like this. The left hand, keep it your left shoulder, and the right hand, keep your stomach or keep the hip. Okay? This is the middle part of our body. This is the middle part of our body. Okay? We can call trunk or torso. Can you please repeat? Trunk.
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 Torso. Torso. Yeah, come on. Torso. 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 Trunk or torso. Trunk or torso. Okay. Now listen. The middle part of our body Come on, children. Repeat after me. The middle part of our body. Trunk. Trunk.
The middle part of the body.
Trunk. Trunk. Trunk.
Middle part
Trunk.
of body.
Trunk. 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 Okay. 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 One more time. Trunk. Repeat after me, children. Trunk. Or torso. 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 Trunk or torso? Okay, now tell me which is the uppermost part of our body? Excellent. Which is the middle part of our body? The middle. Trunk or torso? Say one more time, children. Trunk or torso? Okay. Which is the uppermost part of our body? Head. Now, the middle part of our body, the middle part of our body. Tell me. Torso. Have you got it, children? Now, a trunk or torso. Everybody say Jeffrey, Jahan, Ryan, Ala, Elvin, Marianne, Akshula. Okay, tell me. Tell me the uppermost part of our body. Excellent. Excellent. Now, the middle part of our body. Trunk or torso? Trunk or torso? Okay. Now you can mute your device. You can mute your device. Naomika, Ivania, Ishan, Krishna. There are some children. Alna, Arun. Please mute your device, everyone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I would like to ask the question to Esther Biju. You can unmute. Esther? Esther, you can unmute. Okay, tell me, what is the uppermost part of our body? The uppermost part of our body? Head. Very good. Excellent. The middle. You can keep your hand like this and say the answer. The middle part of our body.
The middle of
Part of our body is known as, it's called
trunk or
torso. Trunk or torso. Yes. Now I want to ask Ritik Sunil. Okay, thank you, Esther. Your ma'am is going to ask a question to Ritik Sunil. Are you ready, Ritik?
yes.
And now tell me the uppermost part of our body. You can keep your hands like this and say the uppermost part of your body. Yeah. Head. Very good. Now the middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Yeah. Trunk or torso. Very good. Now, ma'am is going to share the screen. You can see some pictures. Yes, here you can see some pictures of the head. The head is the uppermost part of the body. The head has a face. What is the first picture, children? Face. Listen. Face. The head has a face. Now, hair. Everybody repeat after me. Hair. Come on. Hair. Now look at the next picture. Eyes. Good one. Nose. What is the next picture? Nose. Excellent. Then come. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, the next picture.
Cheese.
Good one. Good one. Then the next picture. Neck. Very good. Very good. Then the next picture. The next picture. Forehead. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Forehead. Then the last picture. Mouth. Very good. Okay. Okay. Ma'am is going to mute everyone here. Too much noise I can hear from somebody's device. Now I want to share the picture once again. You have to say Shiza Faria. Okay. The next answer you are supposed to say. Okay, Shiza. Then Sarah self in unmute. Alna, you can unmute. Ryan, please unmute. Johan, you can unmute. Yes. Yes. Okay, these children, please unmute. Now, ma'am is going to. Shifa, are you there? Shifa, are you there? Tell me, look at the first picture and say the answer, children. Face. The head has a face. The head has a face. Then say the next picture. What is this? Hair. Very good. Then the next picture. Eyes. Then next. Nose. Then next. Ears. Next. Cheeks. Then next. Neck. Okay. Then next. Forehead. The next. Then the last picture. Okay. Now, I hope all of you understood. Now you can mute your device, children. You can mute your device. Please mute your device. Yes. Now listen. Our body has 3 main parts. Our body has 3. Show me a finger. Yeah. 3. Yeah. Take 3 fingers and show me. Our body has 3 main parts. There are many parts in our body. So we can divide into 3 main parts. And the first one, the head. The first one, see, what is this, children? Say, head. Say loudly. Sarah, you can unmute. Okay, what is this, children? Head. Okay, what is the uppermost part of our body? Head. Okay, what are the parts in our head? Tell me. I will just show the action. You have to say. Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
What are the parts in the head?
Yes.
Now, tell me.
Face.
Face. Okay. Now, good one. Yeah, touch and say, what is this? Yeah, tell me. No, this one. Yeah, somebody saying forehead. Very good. Forehead. Okay. Now.
Eyes.
Brilliant. Next.
Mouth. Neck. Nose.
Excellent. Next. My chubby. Good. Now, next.
Yes.
Very good. These are the parts in our head. Okay. Okay, now tell me which is the uppermost part of our body?
Head.
Which is the middle? Okay, tell me what we can say the middle part of our body. Yes, you can keep your hand like this. How, ma'am? Yes, the middle part. Yeah, keep your hand like this. Oh, tell me. Trunk or torso. And you know, children, what are the parts in trunk or torso? Torso?
Yes.
Yeah, I will show you. What is this? Shoulder. Shoulders. Say, repeat after me. Shoulders. Chest. Tell me. Chest. Yeah, keep palm on your chest and say, children. Everybody can do like this. See. Where's my hands? Look at this and do it. Okay. Shoulders. Chest. Chest. Keep your palm. Sarah, Selfin. Sarah, please keep your palm there. Okay. Jeffrey on is not showing. Jeffrey on. Jeffrey on. No. Chest. Keep your palm on your chest. Yes. Now, your hands, your shoulders. Touch your shoulders. Shoulders. Chest. Show me chest. Rukma, please. Chest. Very good. Devash. Now, touch your stomach. Your stomach. Keep your hand there. Your stomach. Yes. So cute. Okay. Very good. So, this is the middle part of our body. This is the cat. Okay. Now do it like this. Keep your left hand, the left shoulder. Nilha, don't talk to anyone. Please listen the class. Okay. Then your right hand, keep your stomach. The left hand here, the left shoulder. Now, this is the middle part of our body. This is the middle part of our body. And we can call this middle part of our body. Say, children. Trunk. Loudly. Repeat after me. Yeah, come on. Trunk. Or torso. Trunk or, tell me, the middle part of our body. Yes, trunk or torso. Trunk or torso. What are the parts in the trunk or torso? Shoulders, chest, stomach. Yes. Now ma'am is going to share the pictures. Trunk or torso. Yes. Look at the board. Yeah. Now, here you can see the trunk or torso. The spelling is a bit difficult to pronounce. Can we spell the word trunk? Spelling T. Everyone repeat after me. T. R. T. R. U. Can you see the board?
Yes.
One minute. T. R. U. T. R. U. N. U. T. R. U. N. K. Trunk. Okay, 1 minute. Let me take the picture once again. 1 minute. It's coming. Yeah. Somebody's device, lot of noise, children. Okay. T-R. Repeat after me. T-R.
R
U.
U
N. K.
K
Trunk. 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 Or torso. Torso spelling T. T.
E
O.
O
R.
R
Yes.
S
O.
O
Torso.
Torso
Torso.
Torso
Trunk or torso?
Trunk Torso
Okay, tell me which are the parts in trunk or torso. Look at the picture and say, what is this? Shoulders.
Shoulders
Shoulders. Chest.
Chest
Stomach.
Stomach
Okay, one more time. Shoulders.
Shoulders
Chest. Chest. Stomach.
Stomach
Stomach.
Stomach
Okay. Now you can tell me which is the middle part of our body, the middle part of our body known as trunk or torso. The middle part of our body. Say the answer. Trunk or torso. Keep your hand like this and say trunk or torso. The middle part, the uppermost part of our body. Keep your hand like this. Sarah Selfin. The uppermost part of our body, Jeffrey-on. Head. Head. The uppermost part of our body. Head. The uppermost part of our body. Head. The uppermost part of our body. Head. Say loudly. Head. 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 Okay. The middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Trunk or torso. The middle part of our body. 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 Trunk or torso. The middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Oh, all are sitting so sleepy mood. Can we stand up one time? Yes, everybody stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. You are in a sleepy mood. Oh, you should come out from the sleepy mode. Come on, come on. Hands. Clap your hands. Yes, yes, yes. Smile and clap. Smile and clap. Okay. Okay. Smile and clap. Now, can we jump? Because you are so lazy now. I want my smart ones to be back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop it. Stop it. You can sit down. Yes. Sit, sit, sit. Okay. Now we are learning the main parts of our body. The 3 main parts of our body. The head. The uppermost part of our body. Head. The middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Trunk or torso. The middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Trunk or torso. Torso. You want to see a video? Do you like to watch the video? Yes, ma'am is going to share the video. You can watch the video. My head. I have two little eyes. I can see with my eyes. How many eyes? Two.
Two.
I have two little ears. I can hear all the sounds with my ears. How many ears? Two. Two. What's that smell? It's a nice smell. Oh, that's my nose. I can smell with my nose. My nose. I can smell with my nose. Yeah, that's my teeth. My teeth. I can eat with my teeth. I can eat with my teeth. Those are my arms. Arms. I can move with them. Those are my hands. My hands. Hands. Two hands. Two hands. My fingers. My fingers. 10 fingers. My 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Those are my legs. My legs. Two legs to walk. Two legs to walk. Two legs. Those are my feet. My feet. My feet. I have a head. Head. A head. Two eyes to see. Two ears to hear. Ears. Yeah. One nose to smell. One mouth with teeth to eat. Two arms to wave. To wave. Two hands to shake. Two hands to shake. 10 fingers to pick up objects. 10 fingers to pick up objects. Two legs to walk. Two legs to walk. Feet to run. Feet to run. Feet to run. Those are my body parts. Now you can watch the next video. The human body. Now you are watching the human body. The head, the trunk, and the upper and lower limbs. Today we'll talk about parts of the head. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hair. Aman Babu, sit straight and watch the video. How was the video? Super. Give me a thumbs up. Those who like the video, give me a thumbs up. So today we learned about the head, the uppermost part of our body. What is the uppermost part of our body? See? The uppermost part of our body. Say the answer. Head, head. Say loudly. Say loudly. Head, head. One more time. Say loudly. Head. The middle part of our body. The middle part of our body. Trunk or trunk or torso. Very good, very good, very good, very good. The uppermost part of our body. Very good, very good. The middle part of our body. Excellent. One more time, one more time. Say everyone, say. Esther, Adia. Adia, please unmute. Okay, tell me the uppermost part of our body. Very good, very good. The middle part of our body. Trunk or torso. Trunk or torso. Trunk or torso. Okay. So today's our time is over. We can say bye-bye. Bye. Love you all. Take care. Take care. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.